Ask the test subject to sit quietly during monitoring. Place the cuff of a sphygmomanometer around the upper arm. Palpate the brachial pulse. Place the heart sound transducer under the cuff near the brachial artery. Next, squeeze the rubber ball to inflate the cuff. Until the brachial artery is completely occluded, no Korotkoff sound waveform. Slowly deflate the cuff. At the point when the cuff pressure drops just below the systolic pressure, the first Korotkoff sound will be heard. The reading at this point gives the systolic pressure. Continue to deflate the cuff until the sound disappears. The reading when last audible sound takes place is the diastolic pressure.